one debit order or more to your bank account on the NetBank Money app to stand a chance to win an iPhone or Samsung tablet up to the value of 20,000 Rand. Welcome to our friends at the TV, the DSTV Premiership, Orlando Pirates 1, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by a friend, my brother,
The Palace,
how did you see the game, brother?
The game,
Yes, sir.
I think it was difficult for Orlando Pirates.
Right.
The past three fixtures,
Yeah.
my team was a KZN. Back to back AmaZulu.
Yes, sir.
AmaZulu bazamile namhlanje ngoba sibashaya 1-0.
Okay.
Wabona 1-0 it's an international score.
True.
Yes.
Yes.
Angithi ba complain about this that was not a penalty.
Yeah.
We cancel one goal.
Yeah.
We cancel one goal.
Yeah.
Manje obviously sibadlile.
Yeah.
Till today sibadlila again.
Yeah.
Next week.
Yeah.
Sibuyele eCabeja.
Yeah. Kenzakalani eCabeja?
Wabona ke eCabeja.
It's cheap, my brother.
Yeah. Wabona ke cheap izoskolela ne. It's another game le sodlala kuyo ne.
Yeah.
Sodlalela icup mngani wami.
Yeah, give me a
phela thina ne asina ileague siyazi ukuthi Sundowns idle phansi nayo.
Ngiyathola.
Bara thina ne sigijimisini
icup. Yeah.
Understand?
Sure.
So mngani wami into engizokutshela yona ukuthi ni Orlando Pirates ithole kanzima njengamanje wabona.
Yeah.
Ama fixture wanzima siya travel last week bese kuphi eThekwini.
Yeah.
Into engizokutshela yona ne thina siyahambi.
Man of the match namhlanje.
Ngiyamba sosana mngani wami wabona sosana. Ngiyamba naye namhlanje ke mngani wami.
Ngiyabonga, my brother.
That's all.
Thank you, Perez.